and welcome to Pine Creek and the Lazy Lizard Motorcycle and Car Museum. We were here a couple of days ago on the way to Darwin. We didn't know it was here. So there's a bit of everything. Indians, Honda CRs. So let's have a quick walk around. Royal Enfield GPZ 900 with no engine in it. A 650 Yamaha, no tank on it. Aerial Little Excelsior. Wait a minute, we'll get these things. Got that Little Excelsior. Big BMW Cruiser 1400. Back to, there's a couple of them. LT, Aprilia, little Honda 90, probably road bike, and the Velocet LE. In fact, two Velocet LEs. Speedway bike, some little mini pocket rockets, BMW all wrapped up in a crate. Honda three-wheeler, a couple of sidecars. Harley next to the Indian down there. Polaris. Got quad bikes, 4 quad bikes there. Over here, got a Honda, Yamaha XT, Suzuki off-road, and later model Honda road bike. Off-road bike. Helmets, memorabilia, big Harley Cruiser, no Harley Sportster, Indian Servicar, or maybe they didn't call theirs a Servicar because that tended to be what Harley called theirs. Harley, earlier model Knucklehead, earlier again Harley, undescribable, a couple push bikes, little scooter there, 2 scooters, Puke, I think, Yamaha R1, Ducati 600, Suzuki 750, I think, Ninja 900, Daytona Triumph, Katana 1100. And these are the cars down there, all the Holdens, early model ones, late model ones, 1-tonners, Monaros 2 doors. No Suzuki Katana there, is 750, Kawasaki GPZ 900, Ducati 900, early model Triumph, CZ out of Czech Republic, most likely a 250, probably single port, usually they're twin ports. Kawasaki Zephyr, no Triumph, probably about 68, 67. Suzuki has seen better days. Likewise Honda CB 1100, by look, Z9 Kawasaki there, second Z9 Kawasaki, no, Z1000, no 900 there, that's a different colour. Harley, Quacker 4, Quacker 1300 water cooled 6-cylinder, Harley Sportster, Yamaha 500 single road bike, should be one next door to it too. Sure is. 650 Yamaha, slightly chopperized, no 650 Yamaha in the corner. Honda CB 750N, I think. No, Honda CB 1100, CB 900, Honda 754. It's not a K7, probably about K6. Modified. That to me, no. Come around this side and see. Don't get stumped often, but let's see, we'll come back to no Kawasaki 4, no Kawasaki Z1R, No Kawasaki Z600, Suzuki Rotary RE5 there. Honda CB 400. In fact, there's a couple of them there. Suzuki GSX 750. No Kawasaki K1000, K650 Kawasaki, KZ 750 Kawasaki. Nice bike, not many around. Yamaha Diversion 900. We go on to Honda 80s, 60s, 50s. Nice collection of Honda off-road bikes there. SL probably 100, XL 250S, the XL 185 I think, 250R, TT Yamaha is a road going version as distinct from the XT that we showed you earlier, Suzuki DR 400 I think, XL 250 Honda, no XL 350 Honda, XL 250, 250, no, it's 500, 400, 500R, about an 80, 250, Suzuki, nicely done up, unusual colours, RN, you know, there's a TS400 beside it. Let's have a look there, probably a 250, and a Gower 250cc here. So that's at Lizard Creek or Pine Creek. Looking over the cars there, orange Monaro, 1 tonner, no 1 tonner, no sorry 1 tonner but Ute version, no Ute version, SLR 5000 Tirana, Holden HT Ute that's done up as a GT and white tyres, EK panel van, an FE Ute, FB over the side, Monaro, a couple of American cars in there, Osmobiles, FX Holden, HD Holden, FB Holden, and HR station wagon. So this was a bit of a good find. We're here only a couple of days ago. No one told us that this museum was at the back at the Lazy Lizard Hotel. $5 donation to Melanoma, and I didn't by any means do all the cars around the outside there and all the memorabilia. So it's a great museum. We might just continue downstairs. It's called The Shed, and have a look at a couple of other things down here. So it's only been opened about 12 months. So this is 2025, so sounds like about 2024. Now, did you put it together, or did you put it together, the collection?
I didn't know. You can read all about it right out.
Right.
About there if you want.
Yeah. Is this one man's collection? Yes, the cars come from all over Australia and the USA, we mentioned that. It's taken roughly 15 years, there's no price on it, so it'd be in the 7 figures. Timber work in here, which we mentioned, came from a bridge. You don't happen to know which bridge in New South Wales?
No.
It all came from there. Nothing's for sale. It opened on the 29th of June 2024, so it's been there. One fellow looks after them, all of them drive except 5, and so far over $13,000 from Melanoma has been raised, which is great. So we'll have a look at the rest of the Holdens here. HZ there, HJ, EK Special, this one here, HR that's been risen up, could even be 4-wheel drive, Camaro, no, Pontiac Firebird, second SLR, lots of number plates around the place too. Camaro SS there. A couple of pinball machines, Flintstones in the Twilight Zone. They look like they work. Corvette here, black Corvette from the 70s. Nice Caltex Bowser. 396 big block. Chevy SS Malibu. A couple of late model Holdens there. 2012 from New South Wales, and Ute. A few things at the back there, Howard rotary hose and things that you can't sort of see. A little toy collection over there around the corner. Falcon 1 tonner here. Lots of signs around. Holden Ute next door to it. Golden Police Bowser, a late model Commodore 2-door here, a CV8, Monaro, Cadillac Seville, Oldsmobile, Fairmont with the 302 in it, SS Commodore ex-police car, no lights and that on it. And a Commodore there, Bob's Commodore, and of course this one here's been done up rather nicely. No Commodore, sunroof in it, and all the way around there's number plates the full way around. And this motorbike is called the Handlebar. It's a Royal Enfield, and it's got a keg on it and all sorts of interesting things. These are all the spare parts, memorabilia around the place. Everything from Monopoly to cigarette papers to matchbooks to little models down the bottom.
Oh my God. Alex.
And the lady's just told me that God's here, so we better have a look at what she's looking at. She's getting a photo taken there. She's enjoying the bar bike.
Yep.
It's a Royal Enfield.
It's a really, that's what
Yep. It's got a crocodile on the side of it. And this is a bar that you can't get into, but the workshop area. Two Quakers been done up there, a genuine Jaffa, and then the later Model 1, petrol domes, Indian Scout tank there, lovely one, oil bottles, those sort of things here. So this is obviously workshop, life member at the Harley Owners Group. Outback Run 2025, Southern Cross Cannonball, we saw them going just before we got up here. Spark plugs over there, still in the original Champion and NGK boxes, heaps of number plates there, and bits and pieces, starter batteries, and like I said, two nice Quakers there, hubcaps, lots and lots of things, just what you'd love to have in your home. So that's some of the exhibitions here. We'll just have a quick look at where I've seen this done was in Alabama. The big motorcycle museum in Alabama in the United States have thousands of bikes like this. I'll forget the name at some time, or someone can add it to the comments. Minimalised Harley for racing, and the lovely Indian Scout next door to it. All the bodywork's done up beautifully in it. So this is at the back at the Lazy Lizard Hotel at Pine Creek. Like I said, we just came across it, purely one of the members of our group, the Ride Around Australia Team Triumph. Went for a walk because the hotel wasn't open the other day to have a look, and came back running back out and said, guess what, there's a motorbike museum out the back. There's Honda 500 sorry, 404 Super Sports. Was predecessor to that was the CB500, CB350 was CB500. All the oil bottles, kegs, and what we saw before on the other side was hundreds and hundreds of little matchbox cars. Look on the other side and there's hundreds and hundreds of little matchbox cars here. Telephones, clocks, Bundy clocks, early portable mobile phones, bag phones, Mitsubishi Delegate, yeah. Some of the other ones there, more little models and badges inside, and lots more telephones here. Payphone there, blue payphone, red payphone there, wall mounted up the top, and button operated there, rotary dial red one, party line, and the later model, very late model, one over here, and then green, black, where party line and also dial. Radios up there, so lots and lots of things to see. The orange phone here coming into view now is something unusual. You don't see many of those. And the other one I was trying to think of was the Motorola. So it's interesting to see these ones here. And this is, like I said, the shed at the back of the Lazy Lizard Hotel Resort. You can stay here, and we'll finish this segment back here with this lovely Indian board tracker because it's so gorgeous. So hit the like button, tell us about motorcycle museums around the world and what you've seen in them. Don't forget, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment.